Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pep. She sells seashells down by the seashore. Hi, I'm Tyler Glale. I've created video games such as Closure, Bomber Nuts, and The End Is Nigh, and a whole bunch of old Flash games back in the day. I saw a lot of people making cool and unique face masks, and I decided to one-up them all using skills that are unique to me. After pondering what I could make, I came up with a cool thing that the world would want. But first, how to make it. After long hours of trial and error in my workshop and nearly destroying my home, I was almost ready to give up. But I didn't. Then one day it came to me. I knew what I had been missing. I rushed to my workshop and spent years getting it just right. And now we have it. The JabberMask. I wasn't originally intending on turning the mask that I made for that viral video into a product, but I was completely blown away at the amount of attention and requests to buy one that I got after the video went viral, that we pretty much had to look into how to turn it into a product. There are a number of costs associated with bringing a new electronics product to the world, and Kickstarter will help us manufacture a more sophisticated product that works for the mass market. We are starting with a standard and programmable version, and the more we raise, the more features we can include. The JabberMask, the first fully interactive face mask that you can make smile on demand. One smart fellow, he felt smart. Two smart fellows, they felt smart. Three smart fellows, they felt smart. They all felt smart together. Nailed it.